Today I have three exciting job openings for the freshers from the top IT companies. And first one is the Tech Mahindra, and second one is the HCL, and third one is the CrowdStrike. If you are from the 2024 or 2025 batch, and this video is for you. And let's start with the first opportunity, that is Tech Mahindra. And Tech Mahindra is hiring for the manual testing for the freshers for the Ahmedabad location, and eligibility criteria is only for the batch of BE, BTech, MCA, MSc, and MTech. MTech will be the graduate stream like the CSC and IT, ECE, and Telecom. You should have at least the 65% of 10th and 12th and the graduation. And this is the role of for you, the 2024 and 2025 batch, only for the passed out batch. And remember that you must willing to relocate to the Ahmedabad. To apply, fill out the Google form link mentioned in the screen and in the description below. And here you can see that the BCA, BSc students is not eligible for this, and because only the batch of PE, BTech, and MTech only. And remember, if you are eligible for this, be quick to apply. I will give in the description for the link. Go through that link and check the eligibility criteria and go through the application link. And next one is the HCL job applications, and next is HCL Tech, which is hiring for the SAP, STMM, FICO, and functional consultants and SAP ABAP technical consultant. And this is a great opportunity if you are from the 2024 and 2025 batch. For the functional roles, you must have the valid SAP global certifications, and for the ABAP role, programming knowledge is a must. Location will be across in India, and the training may be provided for the selected candidates. And apply through the official link or email given below in the description. So apply this Google form. Be quick to apply because this is the Google form. It closes soon. I will give in the description if you are eligible for this. You want to apply soon. And third one is a CrowdStrike, and it is the best opportunity to move on with this. And this is a hiring for the role of engineer automation, and this is a Python developer in Pune. This role is required for the minimum 0.5 to 2 years of experience. So if you have done an internship or project in Python, this is a great fit for you. And skills like Jenkins, Docker, and Kafka are preferred here. You will be working on the automation pipelines and content releasing in the testing. Apply soon before the posting gets filled with this. And I will give in description go and apply soon if you are eligible for this. And that's it for today job updates. Make sure to apply quickly and share the video with your friends who are also job hunting. Subscribe to my channel for more fresher job updates, interview tips, and resume guidance. All the best and see you in the next video. And most of them I'm saying that somebody is not subscribing here, so please subscribe and support us. And wishing you all the best for the applicants and best of luck. Feel free to DM for the resume or interview guidance. Let's support each other for the career growth. Thank you.